Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hinckley, or near Plano, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Yorkville, Plano, Sandwich, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, Elburn, Big Rock, Gainesville, Bristol, and Little Rock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The severe thunderstorm